Now, where we have seen an uptick coming here, the euro has strengthened at around 1.31 in the European markets right now. And of course, there has been progress into the US budget talks, and that is something that has brought about euphoria into the markets. So gold prices back above $1,700 an ounce on your screens there. We have seen a turnaround come in case of crude prices as well, nearly 0.5% of a run-up coming in for the NYMEX and the Brent crude prices also. The copper prices started the day weak. We did see 1 week lows coming in for that one, but it's trading steady to green in the European markets there as well. Copper, of course, has a worry because the copper LME inventories are at around 4-year highs as per the latest reports that have come in from the inventory department there. But even despite that, because of the euphoria in the market, you have seen a gain up coming into this space as well. Let's get in then. Dharmesh Bhatia, he's Associate VP, Kotak Commodities, and he joins us live on the show with his sense on all of those strategies. Dharmesh, hi, welcome. Let's start with gold first. And the kind of turnaround that we have seen, do you think it would stay on, or the rally might just fizzle out around these 1705 kind of levels?
I don't think so. If you notice, the 1700 mark was a psychological level where market was trading on an average. But internationally, if you have seen, market has shown some fundamental buying. Even in ETFs has shown a good amount of buying, and volume has increased in last 6 to 7 working days. Talking about domestic market, because of rupee fluctuation, there is a big volatility what was seen, and with expiry pressure on last week, the first week of December has shown a sharp correction. Almost price has fallen 1,000 rupees. But this was basically of rollover. If you have noticed the current month, second month contract, the difference has almost gained up by 2 to 3, 2.5%, which is actually a phenomenal growth. And you can, this will continue the bull run, and I'm expecting the price again to carry maybe 32,000 is a level where market will again breach. So in short term, I'll suggest you to go long. Psychological support 31,000 you can keep and hold, and you can aim the target of around 31,550 to 31,600 level for short term. Maybe for long term, you can expect the price again 1735 to 1750 dollars. And in domestic market with rupee at same price of 54.55, you can expect the price again to touch around 32,000 levels.
Would you look like a similar strength coming in for the energy sector as well, especially crude prices, which have been holding good, $88, almost inching towards that level? Do you see that breaching anytime soon?
Definitely, Manisha. If you notice, crude energy is always consumed during December, January because of the winter season. And currently the price between NYMEX and Brent is almost trading at $20. I'm expecting the price to swing. Maybe the gap between both of them has to be reduced. That will create a panic buying in the domestic market, because NYMEX crude has to be at a premium, but it's trading at a discounted rate with Brent crude because of the economic slowdown. But then once the economy gets started booming, which has actually been seen in the base metal, so in crude energy you can see the price showing some firmness, and domestic market again you can see at around 150 200 rupees from premium at this level.
Dharmesh, also, what's your sense coming in for the base metal sector now? We've seen a strong run come in case of the lead prices, almost at overbought positions. But do you think the kind of fundamentals this market now enjoys, you could see more gains?
This buying has been basically from Chinese demand is going on. International, if you have noticed, at LME market is holding about 2,000, and domestic, if you have noticed, 120 is a psychological level of market is trading, supporting, and again bouncing back to the new high. It's almost trading at 1 year high. I'm expecting the price to breach around 130, 131. Actually, it's trading at overbought position, but trend is a friend. I will not suggest you to go short because trending is still showing firmness. Any decline with 1 rupee, you can see a big buying again with 2.5 rupees positive sign. So this, with rupee concern also, I'm suggesting to go long. 130 is a level where market will stabilize. At that level, maybe Jan-Feb contract, you can see some decline. But currently, for 10 to 15 days, I'm expecting the positive sign for all the base metal sector.
Dharmesh, let's steer towards the agro space as well. And the important news that came in yesterday, of course, was the Malaysia allowing Jan exports at zero duty. Rising inventories, of course, is something that has forced the export duty cut. And the crude palm oil prices have hit a 3-year low in the markets last week as well. Do you see any changes, any impact coming into the Indian prices because of that?
It has already been impacted. If you have noticed, crude oil price almost trading at around 7 to 8 weeks low, and it's holding at very bottom on 400 odd levels. Any decline below that will see a big buying going on, because on January, February again there can be a scene of buying internationally also. I'm expecting the price to be stabilized around 390, 385 level. At that level you can go for a buy, but current level I'll suggest you to go short for December contract, maybe Jan contract also. But 395, 385 is a level where market will stabilize and accumulation can be seen, and you can see again a run up of around 450, 460 levels.